Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Bhumi, and today I have planned very interesting things for all the girls out there, and you are really gonna enjoy the video because it's really helpful, it's really useful. So talking about this video, मैंने नायका, एज वी ऑल नो, नायका बहुत ही अच्छा ब्रांड है एंड काफ़ी अच्छी ऐप है. इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर मेकअप एंड ऑल under one platform, then you can just go for Nykaa. So Nykaa में as we all know कि क्रिसमस ईव से पहले बहुत सारी सेल होती है, तो उसी सेल में हमने कुछ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे एंड I haven't tried them yet, I haven't opened them yet, and today I'm going to do a product review for all. First time I'm going to do. So first of all, I'll tell you the company name. It is M Caffeine. I and my mother bought a few products from M Caffeine. So first of all, I have M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. As you can see this, coffee is rich in antioxidants and reduces puffiness. Caffeine in the coffee improves blood circulation to promote collagen production, cell regeneration and brighten the skin. Coffee is also great for cellulite reduction, so it has many benefits as you can see, and it's very good for our skin. हम try बाद में करेंगे, पहले मैं आपको दिखा दूँ सब कुछ, because obviously मैं एक के बाद एक products अपनी skin पे try. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm opening this. Let's see क्या है इसके अंदर. So it has a packing like this. We open it, and this is the फेस मास्क. इसको भी हम खोल लेते हैं. बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है कैफीन की पहले से ही. ओ माय गॉश, आई फील लाइक ईटिंग इट. जैसे वो हम पीते हैं ना हेजलनट वाला मिल्क शेक एट के वेंटर्स, बिल्कुल वैसी खुशबू है. ओ माय गॉश, इट्स लुक लाइक दिस, अ ग्रेइश काइंड ऑफ शेड, and comes with a little spoon to just spread it on your face. So the second thing is McCaffeine face scrub. It is also for normal to oily skin. By the way, I'll give you all the links in the description box so that you can easily check it out. Next thing, face scrub. This is the bottle, and it has a slightly different scent. Yeah, a different smell it has. And I heard that coffee is good for blackheads removal, and as you can see, I have many blackheads here. I literally have a triangle here of blackheads, and lately I have been using a papaya scrub for my skin, and that is really working out for me because में जो वाइट हेड्स है, ब्लैक हेड्स हैं, दैट कम्प्लीटली, ऑलमोस्ट, लाइक नॉट कम्प्लीटली, almost it removes all of them, and that is like a really good product to use on a daily basis. So yeah, this face scrub we will try it. So packing तो मैंने आपको दिखाई दी है, and link you will also get. So next thing that I bought is M Caffeine Coffee Face Wash. So let's open it. Mask is for oily skin, and for people like me that who have oily skin, they should really check out that mask. And product review जो है वो मैं तो अभी आपको दे ही दूँगी after applying the product. So the next thing, coffee face wash I have here. Same packing as that of the scrub. Okay, what we have next? It is coffee hand cream. So it is good for winters like right now, because अभी सब जानते हैं कि जो जैसे मदर्स होती हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम करती हैं घर का, तो उनके हाथ बहुत ड्राई हो जाते हैं. So for them it is really nice, and it is written here that it is good for moisturizing, mattifying and soothing your skin. A very nice product to test, especially when we are in the winters, and it is for all skin types. So you can just go and check out this if you need a hand cream, like if you are a working woman, a house working woman, then I think it will be a good thing for you. So it's the same packing, but it's a quite little one. So the next thing I have, it is in a small pouch. So let's just open it. What we have in here, let's check it out. I have a M-Caffeine coffee body scrub. So it comes with a little small cute container, and I'm gonna open it. I'll give a product review of this particular thing in my upcoming videos, and I'll tell you how it is. It's like coffee, nothing other, just coffee smell, and it's in powder form, like that. Okay, so next thing that comes in this pouch is body polishing oil. So it is also for the winters, and it is for all skin types. And the scrub, it is from normal to oily skin, so it is not for dry skin, I'm telling you. Body polishing oil for winters, because in winters our body, our hands, our everything gets very rough. So it is two things. You will get a product review of these two things in my upcoming videos, because right now obviously there's no time to get bathed and then apply body scrub and then apply body polishing oil. I'll use it further and I'll tell you. So चलिए तब तक हम बाकी के products सब test कर लेते हैं. So now I'm gonna apply this coffee mask over my face. Let's try this out and see how it turns out. Okay, we have to avoid the eyebrows and the eye region particularly, and the lips as well. I hope everyone knows that. And guys, you should appreciate it, guys. I'm trying out this product. I'm experimenting it all over my face, all over my skin, and I think I deserve a bit of appreciation. Yeah, I think I deserve it. So tell me down in the comment section, how was the video, guys? How was the product? Okay, taking some from it. The smell is so like the milkshake I was talking about, like that hazelnut milkshake. So be careful, keep out of reach of children, particularly, especially your small brothers and sisters, all the girls out there. Please be careful. They really. So guys, I have applied it all over my face, and I'm not gonna speak too much because it can result in wrinkles, and you should just take care whenever you apply a mask. You should not open your mouths too much. Like if you want to talk, you should open a little bit of it, just in case. So I have checked the time. It's 7, and after 15 to 20 minutes I'm gonna remove it off. So guys, until I'm waiting for this to get dry, I am gonna try the hand cream. So let's try how it is. I'll take a little bit over my hand, just a little bit, and then I'll apply it all over my hands. Just smelling so good. Guys, this is amazing. Like, my hands were really dry a minute before, and now I feel them soft. Like, you can see them. You cannot see the soft hands, but I can feel them. So yeah, I think it's a very good product to use for a hand cream. So you can just go and buy this hand cream ASAP if you think that your hands get dry very often, or you need something that moisturizes your hands and all. So you can just go and check out this cream. So guys, I've washed off my face completely, and you can see my skin is literally glowing, and I'm so happy to see this. The blackheads are almost washed away, as you can see here. और फाइन बहुत ही बारीक सी लाइन अभी भी है, बट ऑब्वियसली इतने ज़्यादा ब्लैक हेड्स थे मेरे, तो टाइम तो लगेगा ही टू गेट देम रिमूव कम्प्लीटली, बट फर्स्ट टाइम के लिए इट्स अ रियली नाइस प्रोडक्ट. एंड यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि यहाँ से मेरी स्किन कुछ ज़्यादा ही चमक रही है, तो आपको लग रहा होगा बहुत ऑयली हो रही होगी और यहाँ टिप भी बहुत चमक रही है. बट लेट मी टेल यू, मेरी स्किन इस वक्त बिल्कुल भी ऑयली नहीं है. एज यू कैन सी, नो ऑयलीनेस. एंड इससे पहले जब मैं फेस मास्क अप्लाई कर रही थी तो मेरी स्किन बहुत ही ऑयली हो रही थी, लेकिन अभी इट्स कम्प्लीटली ड्राई. मतलब प्रॉपर ड्राई नहीं है बट पूरी मॉइस्चराइज्ड है. एंड इट्स अमेजिंग, लाइक इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. और मैं यहाँ से ब्लैक हेड्स तो अभी पूरे प्रॉपर नहीं निकले हैं, बट आई मस्ट से कि यहाँ मेरे वाइट हेड्स बहुत ज़्यादा थे, वो पूरे रिमूव हो चुके हैं. एंड माई स्किन इज़ नाउ loving these products. So I must suggest that MK Fiend face mask is a really nice product and you should really check out if you want your skin to glow like mine is glowing right now. So और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप ध्यान से आपको पता लगे चेंज, तो आई वुड रिकमेंड यू कि आप वीडियो एक बार रिवाइंड करके मेरी इससे पहले वाली शक्ल देखें एंड नाउ सी माई फेस एंड यू विल जस्ट absolutely see the difference that this product has brought. So it's amazing, guys. I love this product, and for me this product I will give out of 10 I'll give 9.5 because not full, not 10, because this product was not able to remove all of my blackheads. But अगर आपकी बहुत माइनर है तो आई थिंक वो फटाफट रिमूव कर देगा, बट मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मेजर प्रॉब्लम है ब्लैक हेड्स की, स्पेशली ऑन दिस पोर्शन ऑफ माई नोज. एंड आई एक्सपेक्टेड दिस प्रोडक्ट टू रिमूव इट ऑल कम्प्लीटली, and but I think I expected too much. For the first time it's okay for this product to remove this much blackheads, so that's why I will give this product 9.5 marks out of 10. And the hand cream which I used earlier, that will be I think 10 out of 10. There is no need to cut any marks because it softened my hands and it has a really nice fragrance, and there aren't any parameters that I should take to judge a hand cream. There are only two: that your hand should smell nice, your hand should be softened, your hand should be moisturized. So I think I've included that parameters, and now I think I should give them 10 out of 10. The two products, not right now, क्योंकि the thing is कि अगर मैं अभी ट्राई भी करूँ तो अभी आपको इतना पता नहीं लगेगा, बिकॉज अभी मैंने मास्क अप्लाई किया एंड पूरा जो प्रॉपर ऑयलीनेस है, जो भी मेरे इम्प्योरिटीज़ हैं, वो ऑलरेडी रिमूव कर चुका है. तो अगर मैं अभी यूज़ करूँ भी तो इतना डिफरेंस पता नहीं लगेगा. सो फॉर द प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू ऑफ द face wash and the face scrub, I have to use it on a daily basis. Then only I'll be get to know that how it turns out. So in my next video I will give you all the things: the body scrub product review, then body polishing oil, then the face wash and the face scrub. इस वीडियो में मैंने अभी सिर्फ 2 ही ट्राई किया. I thought that I will be trying all the products, but now when I see the results I don't think it will be a great idea to do that, because इतना पता ही नहीं लगेगा फिर क्या रिव्यू दूँ मैं आपको, क्योंकि मेरी स्किन ऑलरेडी ग्लो कर रही है. मैं यूज़ करूँगी उसका डिफरेंस पता नहीं लगेगा. सो पहले मैं अपने आप को, चेहरे को थोड़ा गंदा कर लूँ, उसके बाद मैं उसे यूज़ करूँगी, एंड देन आई टेल यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो दैट हाउ ऑल द 4 products turned out. So guys, I think this is it for this video and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. आपको कोई information मिली, कोई नई चीज़ें मिली. So I think कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया, और जो प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू है बाकी की 4 प्रोडक्ट्स का, वो मैं आपको साइमल्टेनियसली अपने अगले वीडियोस में देती ही रहूँगी ऑब्वियसली. एंड अगर आप मुझसे इंस्टाग्राम से कनेक्टेड हैं तो उस पर भी आपको अपडेट्स मिल ही जाएंगे. यू डू नॉट नीड टू वरी. और अगर आपने फॉलो नहीं कर रखा मुझे, देन देयर इज़ a hell chance of getting worried. So what are you waiting for? Just go and follow me Instagram @Bhumi Kalra, and you will also get the link to my Instagram on my description box, and I'll also put the links to all these products in the description box so that you can check out these products really easily. So I think this is it for this video, and he's again video bombing. Ignoring him and continuing this fun. We will meet in our next video, and I hope until then you stay safe, stay charming, stay beautiful as always, and take care of yourself. Live life at the fullest because it's not gonna come again. So I think you enjoyed this video. We'll meet soon. Bye bye.